Okay, so this is a model of the ventricles of the brain. The ventricles of the brain are spaces within the brain that contain cerebrospinal fluid. On this model, you can see these pink areas. You can see one there, and you can see some pink areas there. Those are called the choroid plexus, and the choroid plexus is where you actually make the cerebrospinal fluid, and then it dumps the CSF into the ventricle structures. The ventricles are named lateral ventricle. You can see the lateral ventricle here. There's another lateral ventricle over here. The third ventricle, so third ventricle here. Fourth ventricle down here. Connecting the third to the fourth is the cerebral aqueduct. See that there? Connecting the lateral ventricles to the third ventricle is the interventricular foramens, here and here. And then if you look at the lateral ventricle, you'll notice that it's divided into several parts. Okay? So we have the anterior horn of the lateral ventricle, the posterior horn of the lateral ventricle, and the inferior horn of the lateral ventricle.